Air defense systems are essential to modern military strategy, providing crucial protection against airborne threats such as aircraft, drones, and missiles. Among these systems stands the STRELA-10, a mobile short-range surface-to-air missile system that has garnered significant attention for its silent, deadly operation. This article delves into the history, design, and continued effectiveness of the STRELA-10, highlighting why it remains an invaluable asset in today's conflict zones, particularly in the ongoing war in Ukraine. A silent killer: how the STRELA-10 operates. The STRELA-10 is no ordinary air defense system. Unlike many modern systems that use active radar to detect and track targets, the STRELA-10 operates quietly and efficiently using passive infrared and electronic guidance. This design makes it one of the most stealthy and elusive weapons in modern military arsenals. The STRELA-10's missile, the 9M33, is capable of engaging a wide range of low-flying targets, including helicopters, ground attack aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). What makes this system so effective is its ability to remain undetected. It uses infrared sensors to track the heat signatures of enemy aircraft, and because it emits no radar waves, it is nearly impossible for the enemy to detect it until it's too late. The system's low-altitude, close-range design allows it to respond in mere seconds. Once a target appears within its range, the operator has just moments to lock on, fire, and reposition. This quick response capability makes the STRELA-10 invaluable for protecting troops and strategic positions in hostile environments where time and speed are of the essence. The technology behind the STRELA-10. While the STRELA-10 is an older system, its capabilities remain impressive by today's standards. The 9M33 missile is equipped with 3 target search modes: infrared, photo contrast, and interference resistance, making it incredibly versatile. The missile travels at speeds over 500 meters per second and can engage targets at ranges of up to 5 kilometers with an engagement altitude of approximately 3.5 kilometers. What truly sets the STRELA-10 apart from other air defense systems is its passive infrared guidance. This technology allows it to engage threats without emitting any detectable signals. The absence of radar makes it incredibly difficult for adversaries to identify the launch location, giving the operator a significant tactical advantage. By the time the enemy realizes a missile has been fired, it is often too late to react. Additionally, the STRELA-10 is mounted on the MTL-B armored vehicle, a Soviet-era platform known for its mobility and durability. This mobility allows the STRELA-10 to be deployed quickly in various environments, making it effective in both combat zones and in areas requiring fast, flexible defense responses. Efficiency over complexity. In an age of advanced air defense systems such as the S-400 and the Patriot missile, the STRELA-10 may seem outdated. However, it continues to hold an important place in Russia's military strategy. The reason for this lies in its simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and the way it complements larger, more sophisticated systems. The STRELA-10 is a perfect example of the Soviet military philosophy of simplicity over complexity. The system is easy to operate, maintain, and repair. Its components are readily available, making it reliable even in the most challenging combat environments. From the icy fields of Siberia to the scorching deserts of the Middle East, the STRELA-10 has proven its ability to adapt to a variety of terrains and weather conditions. In addition, the STRELA-10 is extremely cost-effective compared to more complex air defense systems. It can be deployed in significant numbers without draining military budgets, offering an affordable solution for defense forces that need reliable protection without the luxury of high-tech, expensive hardware. The STRELA-10 in action. The STRELA-10 is not just a theoretical asset. It has been actively used in several ongoing conflicts, particularly in Ukraine. On the Ukrainian front lines, the STRELA-10 has played a pivotal role in protecting Russian troops from low-flying aerial threats. Regions such as Zaporizhia, Kherson, Donetsk, and Luhansk have seen regular deployment of STRELA-10 units. These mobile launchers are positioned in concealed locations and are capable of firing on anything that enters their 5-kilometer radius. Russian media outlets such as Izvestia have reported that STRELA-10 units have successfully shot down several types of drones, including Poseidon drones, Lelika hundreds, and Western-made kamikaze UAVs. In many cases, one shot from the STRELA-10 is enough to take down a drone or helicopter, thanks to the system's pinpoint accuracy and its ability to strike without warning. The STRELA-10's silent operation ensures that enemies are often unaware of the launch until the missile is already in flight. But the STRELA-10 is not without its challenges. Ukrainian forces have adapted to counter its effectiveness by deploying advanced tactics and technologies. First-person view drones have been used to target STRELA-10 units, and long-range artillery strikes have also been employed to destroy the system. These incidents highlight the ongoing arms race in modern warfare, where new technologies are pitted against older, proven systems in a constantly evolving battle. Lessons from the STRELA-10. While the STRELA-10 may seem like an older, less advanced system compared to its counterparts, it continues to perform exceptionally well in the field. Its simplicity, speed, and low operational costs make it an attractive option for Russian forces looking to defend against low-flying aerial threats. The STRELA-10's continued success demonstrates that adaptability is just as important as high-tech advancements in the ever-changing landscape of modern warfare. The STRELA-10 is a perfect example of how older systems can remain effective when updated and maintained properly. In an era where military spending is often focused on cutting-edge technology, the STRELA-10 serves as a reminder that sometimes the simplest systems can be the most reliable and cost-effective. The STRELA-10, a legacy that continues. Even after more than 4 decades of service, the STRELA-10 remains a staple of Russian air defense strategy. It is a classic example of the Soviet approach to military equipment, which prioritized practicality, ease of use, and reliability over complex, difficult-to-maintain technology. The STRELA-10's design continues to evolve, with ongoing modifications and upgrades being made to ensure its continued relevance in modern warfare. The system's adaptability and ease of maintenance have contributed to its longevity, proving that a simple, well-designed system can endure and outperform more advanced technology in certain circumstances. Despite the introduction of more sophisticated defense systems, the STRELA-10's combination of speed, simplicity, and silent operation ensures that it will remain a powerful tool in Russia's military arsenal for years to come. The STRELA-10's lasting impact. In the ever-evolving world of military technology, the STRELA-10 remains a key player in the defense strategies of modern armies. While it may not have the flash or recognition of other air defense systems, its performance on the battlefield speaks for itself. Its speed, silent operation, and precision targeting make it an invaluable asset for Russian forces, particularly in combat zones where low-flying threats are common. The STRELA-10 continues to prove that sometimes, older technologies, when maintained and adapted for modern needs, can be just as effective, if not more so, than their high-tech counterparts. As the world of warfare continues to change, the STRELA-10's legacy as a silent defender of the skies will continue to inspire military strategists and defense experts for years to come. If you found this breakdown of the STRELA-10 fascinating and want to learn more about the world of military technology, don't forget to hit that like and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.